Why small water utilities need an asset management plan. In small communities, water utilities are the lifeline that ensures clean and safe water flows to every home and business. Maintaining this vital service requires careful planning and management. This is where an asset management plan becomes essential. What exactly is it, and why do small water utilities need one? An asset management plan is a strategic approach that helps water utilities maintain their infrastructure efficiently and cost effectively. It involves understanding what assets you have, their condition, and how long they will last. This knowledge is crucial for making informed decisions about maintenance, repair, and replacement. Without an asset management plan, small water utilities are essentially flying blind. They need to know which parts of their system are most critical and how to prioritize their limited resources. The process involves five key components. Number one is inventorying assets, which is knowing what you own and its condition. Level of service, defining what your community expects from the water utility. Criticality, identifying which assets are most vital to operations. Life cycle costing, balancing maintenance costs with replacement expenses, and long-term funding, which is planning financially for future needs. For small utilities, this planning is not just about maintaining the status quo, it's about ensuring its sustainability and reliability in the face of aging infrastructure and limited budgets. Implementing an asset management plan can lead to significant benefits. Cost savings by prioritizing maintenance over emergency repairs. Utilities can save money. Improved service reliability ensures consistent delivery of safe water. Informed financial planning helps secure funding by demonstrating responsible management practices. Modern tools make it easier than ever for small utilities to implement these plans. From digital inventories to predictive maintenance software, technology plays a crucial role in effective asset management. In the end, an asset management plan is not just a document, it's a commitment to your community's health and future. For small water utilities, it's an indispensable tool in delivering quality service today, tomorrow, and well into the future.